Introducing the Bolt Nova, Meteor's next-generation indirect luminaire, meticulously crafted to excel in challenging natatorium environments. We have been at the forefront of designing fixtures that safely illuminate a spectrum of pools, ranging from community recreation centers to Olympic-sized facilities. Drawing from our extensive experience in natatorium projects, we recognize the challenges posed by these demanding settings. Starting off with a robust unibody design across all configurations, it provides optimal heat distribution and maximum durability. The light engine and power box compartment is separated, ensuring even superior heat dissipation. Taking it further, our proprietary dynamic heat management system adjusts wattage based on ambient temperature, avoiding peak temperatures and extending the luminaire's lifespan. Bolt Nova's light engine has a 45-degree tilt range on each side and comes in a single, dual, or 3-module option. An optional glare shield visor accessory is also available to further reduce glare. For natatorium applications, we suggest using the Bolt Nova's deep asymmetric throw optics for maximum efficacy. Now, let's take a look at performance. Taking a 75 by 50 feet pool as an example, the Bolt Nova can offer superior savings and performance using just 6 fixtures to meet NCAA lighting standards with fantastic uniformity. Not only saving on the cost of fixtures, but also reducing installation fees by requiring fewer mounting points. The Bolt Nova advantage can be brought to other commercial spaces, such as sports complexes, corporate, and transportation hubs. Learn more about our indirect lighting solutions at meteor-lighting.com.